Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone. I am Akash Arora, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today, I am sharing my thoughts on cyber media and development, e-governance, digital democracy, and e-Chopal. Cyber media encompasses a broad range of communication between human machines and themselves. The scope include the transmission of message and the function of feedback between humans and all the system with which they have contact. The ancestry of cyber media begins with Weaver, who rightly said that to live effectively is to live with adequate information. Weaver used the word cybernetics in 1948. The word cyber means connected with electronic communication networks, especially with the help of internet. The communication landscape in the country has been undergoing major changes largely due to technological developments during the last 2 decades. Use of computer has revolutionized the process of collection and dissemination of information. Internet is widely used by corporate houses, educational organization, intergovernment organization, non-government organization and voluntary bodies for smooth and speedy function. Conclusion. The cyber extraction is a vital machinery to support the extraction functionaries. Availability of information over the internet assists the process of agriculture extension and makes it speedy and more effective. The important components of agriculture extension system are agriculture research, marketing and farmers, cyber extraction bridges the communication gap between these components. The enhanced and smooth communication among these components of the system result in a overall development of an agricultural system of the country. What is e-governance? Electronic governance is the application of information technology to the process of government functioning in order to bring about smart governance. Smart governance stands for S stands for simple, M stands for moral and A stands for accountable, R stands for responsive. It also involves transformation from being a passive information and service provider to active citizen involvement. Evolution of e-governance requires hardware, networking, software and re-engineering of the procedures for better delivery of services. We observe that there is direct relation between cyber media and e-governance. Successful e-governance project in states. Bhumi of Karnataka. The first e-governance project on lands record computerization system. RASI stands for Rural Access to Service through Internet. Rural IT infrastructure in Tamil Nadu. Next is eSeva of Andhra Pradesh. Provide services relating to payment of utility bills, certificates, permits or license and reservation etc. Next is Card of Andhra Pradesh. System of registration through electronic delivery of all registration services. Digital democracy. The theoretical concept of e-democracy are still in early development, but many scholars agree that blocks mailing list may have significant effects in broadening the way democracy operates. There is no consensus yet among scholars about the possible outcomes of this revolution, although it has so far shown promise in improving electoral administration and reducing fraud. Third, One of the main problems associated with the digital divide as applied to a liberal democracy is the capacity to participate in the new public space, the cyberspace, exclusively computer-based democratic participation could mean that no access meant no vote. Therefore, there is a risk that some social groups, those without adequate access or knowledge of IT, will be underrepresented in the policy formation process, and this could be incompatible with equality principle of democracy, prominence of the open content, free software, and open access social movements believe that these movements help equalize access to digital tool and information. E-Chopal. India is the second most populous country in the world. Majority of its population lives in villages and earn livelihoods through farming. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. It contributes around 26% of the total GDP. Agriculture is the mainstay of the majority of villagers as they are engaged in agriculture or agriculture related services. Agriculture provides livelihood to about 65% of the labor force in India. Still, India has not been able to achieve the world level of productivity. The immense potential of Indian agriculture is waiting to be unreached. Chopal concept. In Hindi, the word Chopal means meeting place. Chopal constitutes an informal assembly, a form that villagers call their own, a place where knowledge could be shared and captured. One important aspect of Indian culture for the Indian farmers is the Chopal meeting, which is like an informal gathering of farmers in the evening on their way home from their fields to discuss the news of the day. E-Chopal concept. E-Chopal is a virtual marketplace where farmers can transact directly with the process and can realize better price for their produce. In June 2000, it was the International Business Division of the ITC Limited that started the new initiative, namely E-Chopal. E-Chopal in India now has become the largest internet-based intervention in rural India. E-Chopal aims to provide farmers lead access to crop scientific real-time information to improve the farmer decision-making ability, thereby helping them to better align their farm output to the project demand in Indian market. E-Chopal, the web-based initiative of ITC's IBD, offers the farmers all information about products and services they need to enhance farm productivity, improve farm gate price realization, and cut transaction cost. Farmers can access the latest local and global information on weather, scientific farming practices, and market price at the village itself, though through web portal in India, languages Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, and Telugu. E-Chopal also facilitates the supply of high quality farm inputs as well as purchase of produce at the farmer doorstep. Media is the source of information which is very useful. Use of internet and satellite has brought revolution in information technology. Computer has invaded every aspect of society. It brings efficiency, authenticity, and effectiveness in the working field. It also dealt with e-governance, digital democracy, and e-Chopal. That's all from my side, and I hope this lecture will help you understand and gain more knowledge about this topic. Thank you, and watching more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV.